Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to solve the time delta problem of Hackerrank. So let's see what is in this question we have to do. So the first line contains T, that is the number of test cases. Each test cases contains two lines representing time T1 and T2. So we have first input as an integer which consists of the number of test cases, and then the next t number of lines contains timestamps, namely t1 and t2, and the constraints, the input should be in the timestamp and the year should be less than 3000. So we have to we have to give the output as in the absolute difference of the timestamps in seconds. So let's head towards the code. So first of all, we need to import from datetime, import datetime. It is not imported, so we have to do it by ourselves. Now moving forward, so first we have to specify the string format. So for that, time underscore format is equals to, so the first part is Sunday. That is the day name. That is the day name. So for that we have a string directive %a. For day date we have a %d. For day month name we have %b, and for %y it is year. For hour it is %h, then semicolon, then percentage minute, then semicolon, then percentage s for seconds, then space, then percentage small z. So these are the string characters which one should know about timestamps. These are very useful if you want to take out an individual component from the timestamps. So percentage A is for the day name, percentage D is for the day date, percentage B is for the month name, percentage Y is for the year, percentage H for hour, percentage M for minutes, percentage S for seconds, and percentage Z is for the time zones. Now we will define T1 is equals to date time dot strip time. So what exactly Strptime function does, it accepts two arguments, that is the input string and then the format. So basically what it does, it outputs the string in a datetime as a datetime object in the desired format of string. So we have passed the desired format as time underscore format, which is this format. So similarly we copy this, and then we again define for T2, and then we have to just return the absolute difference T1 minus T2, and for that in seconds, for that we need the function total underscore seconds. So but we need the output in string format, otherwise it will throw an value error. So first we convert it into int, then we simply convert it into string. Otherwise, as I mentioned, it will throw an error. So let's move forward and hit the run button. So as you can see, we are done with the code. It was not that complicated. Okay, so we are done with the code, and I hope you liked the video, and I hope the code was easily understandable to you. So I hope you were able to comprehend properly whatever I have mentioned in this video. So the prerequisite for this question was about the date time, about the string directives for the timestamps, Strptime function, and simply the all-in-all datetime class. So please do share and like the video, and if you would like to subscribe, please do it. Let's spread the knowledge together. Thank you so much.